This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the earbuds and phone. You don't need extra tools. Make sure both earbuds sit in the case with the lid open and your phone's Bluetooth is turned off or set to forget the device. Once done, press and hold the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes. This clears temporary pairings. Hold steady. You're forcing a factory-like state so the earbuds can rebuild a clean connection when paired again. Now focus on the precise sequence that completes the reset. Press and hold the case button for 15 to 20 seconds. The LED will blink. This is the key signal. Once the blink pattern appears, release the button, close the lid for 5 seconds, and then reopen it to let internal systems reboot. Make sure the earbuds remain seated. Any movement can interrupt the process. This clears stored network data and resets Bluetooth services so pairing starts fresh. Finally, repair the earbuds to your device. Enable Bluetooth, select the Beat Studio buds when they appear, and follow prompts. Once connected, check firmware in the Beats or Apple app to ensure stability. If the earbuds don't show up, repeat the reset sequence or charge the case for 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. One troubleshooting tip: if audio stutters or only one bud connects, redo the reset and make sure other Bluetooth devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.